G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. This is episode 100 and we are super pumped here to bring to you one of the most popular cocktails, the Mojito. So, let's get started. What you're going to need for today, you're going to need a white rum, some sugar syrup, we've made our own here, some soda water, some fresh lime, some fresh mint. We're serving up in our Bloom Highball, which is the new range that's coming out very soon. Bar spoon, a jigger, and a shaker. We're also going to crush up some ice tea to help with the garnish at the end as well. So once you got that sorted, we can get started. All right, first thing you need to do, grab your shaker and we're going to load that up with some ice. And we're going to squeeze in, it's about, I'd say for a small lime, a whole lime. So we're just going to squeeze a whole lime directly into the shaker, or around that sort of 25 to 30 mils of fresh lime juice. All right, we're going to need about 8 or so mint leaves, no stalks. All right, a few more. There we go. Put those in your hand and give those a quick clap. Drop those in, that just releases the flavour or the aromas. Now we're going to pour in 45 mils of white rum, 15 mils of simple syrup or the sugar syrup, and we are going to give that a good shake. It. Now we're going to you can either grab your bar spoon if it's easier, and I'm just going to guide that directly into the cup. Just be mindful of those limes when they come flying out. All right, there we go. Now we're going to top that up with a bit more ice. Some soda water, top up with soda. About there. Now I'm going to grab some crushed ice, which I'm just going to put on top. To garnish, just grab the best mint sprig you can find. There we go. And a straw. So we're going to drop the straw down. Make sure that mint's all around the straw. Like so. And to garnish, I'm also going to put on there a dried lime wheel. So 1 second, because I didn't have one of those present. All right, and a dried lime wheel on the side. Beautiful. And there you have the Mojito. Enjoy.